Best wallpaper apps for Windows. Setting a wallpaper takes 5 seconds. Keeping your desktop interesting for a whole year takes an app. Here are the ones worth installing. Windows Spotlight is already built in and costs nothing. Go to Personalization, Background, and choose Windows Spotlight for a new professionally shot photograph every day. For much more control, Dynamic Theme from the Microsoft Store pulls daily images from Bing and Spotlight, saves them locally, and lets you set different sources for desktop and lock screen. If you want enormous variety, Wallpaper Engine is a paid app but has an unmatched library, and it handles animated backgrounds too. For photography lovers, Unsplash-based desktop tools rotate through millions of high-resolution images sorted by subject. And for something quieter, try an app that generates gradients or minimal geometric patterns so nothing competes with your icons. Whichever you choose, match the resolution to your screen, or Windows will stretch the image and everything looks soft.